What's going on, guys? My name is Jennifer Altman. I've been a Nesta certified fitness trainer since 2013. In today's video, we're gonna be going through the last workout of my Let's Get Shredded challenge. This challenge is a 12-week gym challenge. And if you haven't already, be sure to head over to my channel and catch up with all the other workouts. This challenge is completely free and you can download a PDF version of this challenge at fitbyjennifer.com. Okay, today's our lower body workout, so let's head to the gym. What's going on, Fitbies, and welcome to the last workout of this challenge. We are hitting lower body and we're gonna be starting off with our squats. We're gonna be getting 10 to 12 reps for a total of 4 sets. Here, I'm using a dumbbell rather than the squat rack, but I love changing it up. Moving on, we have our hip thrusts. So you can either use a dumbbell like I am right here, or you could use a barbell. I'll be getting 10 to 12 reps for a total of 4 sets. Moving on to our stiff leg deadlifts, or if you wanna call them RDLs. Here I'm using a set of dumbbells, but you can also use a barbell. I'm getting 10 to 12 reps for a total of 4 sets. Moving on, we have our leg press. So this leg press was in a very awkward position in my gym, so I tried my best getting a good angle of this, but it was not working. I'm doing single leg press, so I kind of shift to the side a little bit so that way I hit my glutes. I'm getting 10 to 12 reps on each side for a total of 4 sets. Moving on, we have our leg extension. I'm getting 10 to 12 reps for a total of 4 sets. And then moving on, we have our leg curl. This machine does a leg curl movement along with a leg extension. So it's kind of cool that I have just one machine to do both exercises on. I'm getting 10 to 12 reps for a total of 4 sets. And last, we're gonna get our 100 reps of walking lunges. I will always keep saying this, the more you do these, the easier they will get, I promise you. Okay guys, that wraps up today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you're enjoying this challenge so far. But until next time, peace.